Everyone, set out all your cars. Today we've got this 2015 65 registered Hyundai i20. It's a 1.2 SE Premium, so it is the top of the range. Finished in sleek silver with 69,000 miles, 10 services, and a very clean and tidy thing. Got your LED DRLs, your front and rear parking sensors, the 15-inch alloys, privacy glass, panoramic roof. Very, very, very clean throughout. The original number there for any checks you may wish to carry out. Ideal first car. I think these are quite affordable on the insurance usually. It's come loaded with tech, but I'll talk you through that in a second. Let's show you in the boot. Good sized boot for a Super Mini. You do get split folding rear seats. Let's see if there's a spare width. Well, I can't get in there, not one-handed, but we can check if you need to know. Parcel shelf, etc. All there, all clean, all tidy, no nasty smells. It's got the grey and black cloth interior with the Isofix and rear electric windows. Again, all nice and clean, no nasties anywhere to report. And same again in the front. That's just a little bit that we've cleaned on the middle of that seat. There was a tiny little stain there, it's just still drying. Folding mirrors, electric windows, auto lights and wipers. Got lane assist, just there, look. As I say, these things are loaded with tech. Just going to start the car up. You'll see there are no warning lights or anything. Align steering wheel. Oh, it's because I've got the wheels turned. There we go, it's happy now. Low fuel, but no other warnings. All starts as it should. We have got lane assist just there. As I mentioned, there you go. Cruise control, speed limiters, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, heated seats, climate control, USB with auxiliary inputs, media center up top here with your FM radio. That's CD as well. No media connected at the minute. You even got the little adapter up the top there to connect your phone to with your nav, etc. We have got that just clicks in there. Parking sensors, cup holders, bit of storage in the armrest. Big opening pan roof, as I mentioned. Yeah, absolutely loaded. Brilliant first car. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And finance is available on this car, and we work with a number of lenders to get you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.